Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Verrillo Motor Car Company. My name is Jay. With us today is a good friend of ours. His name is Robert. Robert, it's good to see you again. Robert brought his beautiful Corvette to us. Now, this one is a little bit special, and there's a cool story about it that we wanted to tell you. If you take a look right here, our Performance Division, Prestige Performance, actually installed this Supercharger for Robert. Here's the interesting thing. Many times we get these cars, and the cars will have a few miles on them. Generally, people will put 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 miles a year on their car. That's not what you've done.
No, not at all.
Tell people how many miles you have on this car.
Presently, just over 96,000 miles.
So this is a car that's driven every day that actually is driven with a supercharger. How is the experience? Have you found it to be quirky or?
On the contrary, you don't even know that you have it in the car.
Until you want it.
Until you want it, exactly. The car sounds the same, starts the same, it does everything the same.
No performance issues, no reliability issues, anything
There
like
is one performance issue. The tires seem to wear slightly faster than they did before. I'm still working on the root cause of that, however.
So you're one of our more rare customers, almost 100,000 miles on the car. Look at the car. It's absolutely beautiful. This just lets you know if you want to do this kind of thing, not only does our company do a fantastic job, our Prestige Performance Division, but the car is reliable, usable, maintains all of its Corvette-ness, and that's what's important. Robert, thanks for bringing your car back up and showing it to us. Come see us at Verrillo Motor Car. We'd love to take care of your car too.